How to control iPhone with your MacBook. Hey guys, if you're planning to control your iPhone device using your MacBook, I have two ways to show you on how. First things first, you can go ahead and connect your iPhone from your MacBook by using the Control iPhone feature. Now, the step number one is the first method on how you can control iPhone from a Mac is with the Apple's native solution. This is an originality and accessibility tool, but it works great for any situation. First things first, you want to select the Apple menu and navigate through your system settings from your MacBook. From there, you want to go ahead and click on the accessibility option, which is this one. Inside accessibility, on the right hand menu, scroll down and you want to find the switch controls. Turn on the enable switch control toggle and your MacBook should now have the switch control home panel. From there, you can just go ahead and click on devices, select the iPhone that you want to control and you want to click on connect. Inside your iPhone device, you want to navigate through the switch control menu on your iPhone, and from there you want to tap on device and you want to click on stop using device. Now, the second way is much more easier. It is by downloading a third-party application called AirDroid Cache. You can just go ahead and get it from the App Store, and from there, it's as simple as scanning a QR code and you will now be able to connect or control your iPhone with your Mac. So it will go ahead and look something like this. After scanning this specific code with your iPhone device, your MacBook and iPhone should be connected. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.